Hello dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the Bayes theorem problems. Okay, of the students in a college, it is known that 60% resides in hostel, 40% resides in day scholar. Let us consider here E is the event of selecting hostlers. Okay, E is the event of selecting hostlers. E2 is the event of selecting day scholars. Okay, E2 is the event of selecting day scholars. So hostlers, day scholars. So it is known that 60% resides in hostel. So hostlers 60% and day scholars are 40%. Okay, resides in 40%. Next, a previous year results reports that 30% of all students who resides in hostel attain A grade. Okay, so let us consider here A grade. A is the event of getting A grade. A is the event of getting A grade. Okay, so A is the event of getting A grade. So what is given? Previous year results reports that 30% of all students who resides in hostel attains A grade. Okay, and 20% of day scholar attains A grade in their annual exam. So 30% resides in hostler, 20% resides in day scholar. Okay, 20% are day scholar. Okay, so E1 is the event of selecting hostlers, right? So who attained, let us consider here A grade attained by hostlers is 30%. Okay, 30%. And A grade obtained by day scholar. Okay, day scholar is 20%, right? This is 20%. So here given data is this. Then at the end of the year, one student is chosen at random from the college. He has A grade. What is the probability that student is a hostler? So E1 is a hostler, E2 is a day scholar, right? So what is the probability of this student? What is the probability of selecting E1? E1 means hostler who got A grade. Okay, so star mark, we have to find this. Okay, so P of E1, P of E2, P of A by E1, P of A by E2. According to the Bayes theorem, we have to find hostler who got A grade is mathematically, we can write this is equals to P of E1 into P of A by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. So we know already this result. What is this? 60%. P of E1 is 60%. Can I write 60 by 100 into P of A by E1 is 30 by 100 whole divided by, same, copy paste this, 60 by 100 into 30 by 100 plus P of E2 is 40%, 40 by 100 into 20 by 100. So 100 into 100, 100 into 100, 100 into 100, take common, cancel. 3 6 are 18, 180, 1800 divided by 3 6 are 18, 1800 plus 4 2s are 8, 800. So 100, 100, 100 divide. So 18 divided by 18 plus 8, 18 plus 8 is equals to 18 by 26. 18 by 26. 2 9s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 9 by 13 is the problem. So this is the second question. In an answering a question, a multiple choice test, a student either knows the answer or guesses. Let 3 by 4 be the probability that he knows the answer, 1 by 4 with the probability that he guesses the answer. Assuming that student who guesses at answer will be correct and probability that 1 by 4. What is the probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly? So let us say here E1 is the event of selecting student who guesses. Okay, even is the event of selecting a student who knows the answer. Okay, even is event of selecting student who knows the answer. Okay, who knows the answer. E2 is the event of selecting student who guesses. So here conditional probability a what is saying here, answer should be correct. Okay, so what is saying here, 3 by 4 with the probability knows the answer, 1 by 4 the probability, assuming the student who guesses the answer will be correct. So a is the event of getting correct answer. Okay, correct answer. Okay, now let's check. So according to the P of E1, P of E2, this is P of E2. So probability of a student who knows the answer is, wait, answering the question, multiple choice question, a student either knows the answer or guesses the answer. So 3 by 4 be the probability that he knows the answer. So 3 by 4 be the probability he knows the answer, and 1 by 4 be the probability he guesses the answer. So 1 by 4 is guessing answer. Now A is the event of getting correct answer, right? A is the event of getting correct answer. Now here conditional probability will write. Conditional probability getting correct answer from the student who knows the answer. Okay, getting correct answer from the student who guesses the answer. Okay, so what is given here in the question, he given that assuming that the student who guesses at the answer will be correct with the probability 1 by 4. The one who guesses the answer, the correct answer is, probability is 1 by 4 is given, but the one who knows the answer definitely will give the correct answer only, right? Then 100% sure event, which is probability 1. So the answer given by the student who knows the answer is 1, sure event, 100%. It is not given. You have to understand from the question. Okay, so next, what is the probability that the student who knows the answer given that he answered it correctly? So is asking this part, this one. So is asking here, the student who knows the answer is E1, given answer is correctly. So this is asking E1 by A is what? So P of E1 into P of A by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. So according to the Bayes theorem, this is the formula. According to the Bayes theorem, this is the formula. So we know already. So 3 by 4 into 1, 3 by 4 into 1 divided by 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Okay, one by 4 into 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 take common and cancel, 3 remains by 3 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 gone, 1 by 4 remains. 4 3 is a 12. So 12, 3 by 12 plus 1 by 4. 4 goes here. 4 3 is a 12 by 13. So probability is 12 by 13. That's all. This is the answer.